Merry Christmas to you and to everybody in India. Uh, this is a festive time. Everybody should be united and have a great time. And it's a time to be with your family. A lot of time with your family is good. I wish them good health and happiness for Christmas and the year ahead. Uh, I'm here on a spiritual visit all over the country as often as I can be. I travel around, I do my charity work, and I do, get blessings from all the priests, and I go to a mosque, gurdwara, church, and a temple, and I feel the same energy. I feel people who have troubles, they always go to the God they believe in, and they say their prayers, and they hope that all their issues will subside. And I think they have that belief and they have that hope. And I was at the church today as well, and I said a prayer for everybody in the country to stay united and stay happy, and most of all, stay healthy.
So what's your
Santa, firstly, is the pollution. We really something for this, the capital, the national capital. I mean, we are all suffering. It's a real issue that we need to find a solution for. And my wish from Santa would be like to see the blue sky more often, to have cleaner air, and to keep politics away with this particular topic, and do something in the interest of the country and this, for Delhi, the people, citizens of Delhi, that basically we need to have clean, pure air. It's our right.
फिर आज आप त्योहार आ रहा है किस